how to go to engine compartment from cabin in Skoda Octavia 2 facelifting. There is behind the battery in the corner there is a grommet, so you guys probably know, and very difficult access. Grommet has additional nipples. I cut one with pliers, side cutters. Then I use thin wire connected with cable, thin cable. Then thin cable I solder it to high current one, and first I push green one from the engine side into cabin, and then I pulled in cabin, and then I connected black wire and pull it back into engine compartment. So this is my way at the moment. I didn't find a better one. Grommet is exactly, this diameter is about I would say 7 millimeters, and is very tight, so I wouldn't say it weak and afraid of water dripping inside the cabin. So that's it. The hardest part is behind me. I wish you success. Thank you very much. Bye bye.